Okay, I'm back. I had someone walk in the shop wanting to use my grinder, so but anyway, TA screwed up one of my trucks, and I had a load that needed to be there, and so I jumped in my pickup and drove about 600 miles to get it back going, but I had a little help, so everything worked out okay. But anyway, I got back in here. I lost a day, and I rebuilt the head myself. I did all the valve work, porting and polishing, cut my own valve seats, got everything back together. Almost ready to put the Jake brakes back on. Everything went back smooth. Like I said, I got my valve train side, my valve lash. I just set it, so I'm gonna pop my Jake brakes back on, and I don't know. I want to put them on, but I've been in the shop since, I don't know, 3 o'clock yesterday evening, and I've been getting phone calls when I'm coming to the house. So let's see, Jake brakes, yeah, narrowed it down, pretty much cleared out the board. Oh yeah, and I got it sanded down. I sanded it down that same night that I said I would, and I got a little more sanding to do. And check this goodie out. My son's gonna like this. 20-inch Texas bumper. Plan to put on it. And got pipes and all that stuff. I took all that stuff off, so I'm just tired. I'm bushed, but I'm trying to get these Jake brakes on before I leave here. I may come back tonight, finish it up, and try to fire it up by morning. Alright, I ain't got much to say today, so did a lot of work though. But anyway, I don't know. I'm tired. Get with y'all later.